I've been waiting on the sunset, bills on my mindset, I can't deny it, getting higher, higher than my income's breadcrumbs.
Okay, yeah.
Welcome back, everyone, to another great week here at Lawrence North High School.
That is Matt. I am Michael. I am very sorry that we have not been on the past few weeks, but we're back, so don't worry. So let's kick it off with some news.
All right. Boys basketball team had a big win Friday against Terre Haute North. They take on Cathedral this Tuesday in sectional action at Warren Central. The game begins at 7:30 p.m.
It's boys sectional week, basketball week in Indiana, and that means it's Spirit Week at LN.
Cool.
This year, our Spirit Week will not only provide some energy for our fans and players, but it will also help raise awareness and money for lung cancer awareness.
Okay, today's spirit dress-up theme is Doctor Day. Tomorrow will be Role Model Day, Wednesday Parent Day, Thursday Favorite Musician Day, and Friday White and Gold Day. Lung cancer awareness colors.
Also, Penny Wars will take place in the cafeteria today through Thursday and Friday. The winning class will be announced. Whichever grade level wins can get the commons for lunch
Sophomores.
during the entire following week.
Wow, nice.
Yeah. So empty out your piggy banks, look under the couch cushions, and help out a good cause and your classmates to get a little bonus of enjoying the commons during the lunch week next week.
Nice, nice. Now we have some breaking news. The deadline for AP exam registration was extended until today due to the snow day Friday. Be sure to turn in your registration form to the bookstore.
The third annual Create Fest will be March 12th and 13th, and volunteers are needed. On Thursday, February 28th, there will be a volunteer meeting in room 141 right after school. All students are welcome. If you cannot attend but would like to volunteer, please contact Peyton Yockham and Miss Stockdale.
All right. Several students had very busy and successful weekends. A Raisin in the Sun was presented in the auditorium Friday to rave reviews. Also, congratulations to our Performing Arts Department on a great weekend. Our musicians, Winter Guard, and percussionist ensemble had outstanding performances in competitions all over the state.
Well, that's all the news we have for you today.
Well, see you next week, right here on Cat's Eye. We're out. And that's a wrap, everyone.
It's a wrap. Where's the script at?
I've been waiting on the sunset, bills on my mindset, I can't deny it, getting higher, higher than my income's
Con los terroristas.
Harlem Shake.